Here's my new baby. This is Louis Vuitton skateboarding grip tape. Oh my god, Champion sent me stuff. I never need to buy brown products again. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Maiphammy here. Make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. Also, don't skip the ads if you want to help assist out. Today, I'm going to be doing a video that I've never really done before, which is a PR unboxing. And the reason why I've never done this before is because I've never gotten enough PR packages or anything. But I was gone in LA for a month and I accumulated a lot of packages back in Canada. So that's what we're going to be doing today.
Hi, okay, so this whole video's audio is kind of trash because my mic was broken, but I tried to fix it because I really like this video. But just don't listen with your headphones in and just use your speakers and it should be fine. I'm so sorry, but I like the video. Okay, bye.
Okay, I'm so freaking excited. So the first one I'm gonna open is this one that says Champion on it. So I'm gonna assume that it's Champion. I'm so excited right now. I love PR packages. Oh my god, Champion sent me stuff. No fucking way. I can't believe they sent me stuff. What? I used to obsess over Champion when I was like in high school. Oh my god, what? No fucking way. I'm so excited right now. I'm sure you guys can hear it in my voice, but I'm not used to getting PR packages. Oh my god, they sent me some slippers to wear around the house. This is gonna be so nice to wear around in winter because my feet get hella cold. This is what they look like on. Oh my god, wow, these are so comfy. Thank you so much, Champion. And they sent me some stickers. Super freaking cute. I love that. I cannot believe Champion sent me PR. What the frick? Anyways, oh my god, that's crazy. That is actually crazy to me because I used to be obsessed with Champion. I mean, I still love Champion, but like, I used to be obsessed with it. Okay, next package. This one, what is this from? Literally no clue where this one's from. I feel like that's the fun in opening these is because you never know where they're from, really. But I cannot believe these brands know I exist. That's my thing. I don't realize how many subscribers I have because to me it just feels like I've just been doing this like as you guys are my friends. But then I watch YouTubers and I'm like, oh, like they're so big, like they have this many subscribers, and I'm like, like you have that many subscribers. But like to me, it doesn't feel like I do. I don't know. Okay, this is from Frank Body. Oh my god, I saw Daniela, my friend, have this, and I was like, oh my god, I want this because she had like this coffee scrub in her shower, and I was like, that's so cool. I want that. And I love anything that involves like beauty, and I always love trying new things. So they sent me a fizzy body scrub. Oh my god, this smells so freaking good, and it's like pink. Okay, we're gonna try that out. Then they sent me the coffee scrub that I was talking about that Daniela had. I used this in her shower, and I was like, wow, this is so good, and it smells so good, and I wanted it for myself. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna use this all the fucking time. And this is the In Your Dreams Sleep Scrub and Soak. So use this in a tub. I might have a bath tonight because I want to use this. Oh, this smells so good, and like this is the consistency you guys can see. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna use this body scrub right now in the sink. I just tried out this fizzy one and it was so fucking cool. And this just smells good. I know that this coffee scrub already works. And they gave me a really cute little travel bag. Okay, wow, love that. Now let's open this box. Oh, this one I think is maybe Fanola. If you guys don't know what Fanola is, I used to dye my hair platinum blonde, and the only shampoo that would work to not make it yellow was Fanola. They reached out and told me they wanted me to send me products, and I was like, what the there's all these products I literally am big fans of, and like it's crazy that these brands know who I am now, and I know I keep saying that, but like I'm being so serious. Oh my god, wow. This is what it looks like. I literally have a Fanola bottle in my shower right now. Ah! Oh my god, they're so cute. They even added this little Polaroid of me. Oh my gosh. Oh, no way. And they gave me a little pop socket, and they wrote, hey Mai, we're so excited for you to try out all these goodies for your gorgeous hair. We hope you enjoy and welcome you to the Fanola team. I mean, Fanola fam. I can't read. I cannot believe they just sent me all this. Wow, I need to take a picture. I love this. Oh my god, I'm freaking out right now. I love Fanola. This is crazy. I've actually been needing conditioner, so I'm gonna use this. But this is what the packaging looks like. They sent me some NutriCare shampoo, some NutriCare conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, like spray, like leave-in conditioner, so I'll put this in after my shower, restructuring cream for split ends, and then they also sent serum. Thank you so much, Fanola. I'm so excited. Next is this package. I have no idea what this is. This is a secret, guys. This is a secret. I have a brand deal coming up, and this is a secret product. So I'm gonna take a quick peek. Oh my god, I did not expect it to look like this. I've seen pictures and stuff, but oh my gosh. That's for you guys to see later. Now, let's open this box. What is this? It's so heavy. I literally have no idea what this is. Open! No, is this Maybelline? Is this Maybelline? Maybelline? Y'all don't understand. So I got a Maybelline sponsorship and I was freaking out because like when I get sponsorships or get sent things from products that I used to like live by when I was younger and that I still use now, it's like insane to me. Oh my god, they gave me a makeup box to like bring around and it just like expands like this, and it has 2 masks in it that says Maybelline New York. Ugh, I love when brands send me masks because that means I don't have to buy anymore. And they sent me this shirt that says Maybelline. Y'all, I never need to buy a brow product again. Holy crap, there are so many of these eyebrow pencils. What do they expect me to do with this? If y'all want an eyebrow pencil, let me know because I have so many. Oh my god, thank you so much, Maybelline. And they sent me, what is this, a hoodie? They sent me a hoodie. Oh my god, I love this color. This is like my favorite color to wear. And this is the color of my car and everything. Oh, and it's like kind of like cropped, so cute. If I make merch, I want it to be like this length. This is adorable. Thank you so much, Maybelline. I cannot believe that I got sponsored by Maybelline for one, and I cannot believe that they just sent me all this stuff. Insane. Okay, let's do this one. What is this? No idea. Let's open it. Okay, there we go. Okay, there's some pink stuff. What is this? Physicians Formula. Oh my god, I literally used to buy the products all the time in the drugstore. I love their, what is it, their butter bronzer or whatever. That's what I used to use all the time. It's still really freaking good. They sent me the Gold Vault collection. All right, so what is this? Okay, this is the Gold Collagen Setting Spray for makeup. This is the Gold Collagen Serum. Is this for my face? Yep, this is for my face. They also sent, ow, I cut myself. I just jabbed that into my skin. They also sent me, ugh, ow, that hurt. The lip serum. This is so pretty. And then this is a face palette. These are such pretty gold. That is so pretty. I am gonna try this tomorrow, especially think I'm gonna use the gold in like my inner corners. And in here, there's a mascara as well. Is it gold mascara? This is gold mascara. Okay, I cannot wait to try this. This would have been so good for my angel look for Halloween. Thank you so much to Physicians Formula. All right, now let's open this package. Okay, this is from Set Active, and maybe they resent me the package. So, I already have this set. No, I don't. Oh my god, I don't have this. Well, no, I have these leggings. Well, no, I don't have this sports bra. I have a different one. So they just resent me this set on accident, I think. But I love the one shoulder sports bras anyways. And they sent me a little tank top. I can't wait to wear this. This is like my favorite Set Active color anyways, so I can't wait to wear this. This is the sports bra. I'm wearing a Set Active sports bra right now, actually. And then there's the leggings. And then they also sent me little socks that say Set on them. Oh, I can't wait to wear these too. Then, this is in PR. I ordered this myself. It's grip tape for skateboarding, and I don't even skateboard that much anymore, but I ordered a bunch of grip tape, so sorry my camera died, but I'm back. Okay, yeah, I don't need this much grip tape. I don't know why I ordered this, but I do, and you know, maybe if I start skateboarding again, I'll really want to use this. This one was the one I really wanted. So, right, they sent me the Dior one, like just the Dior one, but this is a Dior one with cherry blossoms on it, and it's clear, so if your deck has like a design on it or something, like it'll be able to show through. Oh, this is so fucking cute. Then I have this one. Oh, I was really excited about this one too. This is a Louis in the Sky one. If you guys can see, it like looks like clouds. I really want to use this one too. This makes me really want to start getting back into skateboarding. And then this one is just like the typical brown monogram Louis grip tape. These are so cool. Wow. Now I have like 4 grip tapes. I have another one in my office, but I have so many to use that I won't get use out of it. But I think that I'm gonna like keep it as a hobby forever, so this will just be nice to have. So then let's open this. This is from Chatbooks, and I did a brand deal with them not too long ago, and basically this book is just my Instagram. Every single 60 photos they send me a book of my Instagram, which is pretty cool, I guess. Just in case, you know, Instagram ever dies, I have pictures of myself to look at. You know, I'm gonna show my children this. Just kidding. I don't know, I think it's a pretty cool idea if you don't just post pictures of yourself, you know, and it's like you and your friends. Good memory, but all I do is post pictures of myself. All right, these are all Colourpop. Let's open this. So I'm pretty sure this is a Halloween package that I was supposed to open, but you know what? It's fine. I have so much Colourpop. I love Colourpop. I went to their factory and everything. It was so cool. Everyone there's so sweet. They try to be eco-friendly and stuff like that. But hocus pocus. Okay. They sent me some glitter, some pink purplish glitter. They also sent this glitter, which is pinkish orange gold tone one. And they also sent some lashes. Ooh, I absolutely love these lashes. It's called Boss Witch. They also sent I Put a Spell on You lipstick. Oh, this packaging is to die for. Do you guys see how adorable this is? What is this lipstick? And it comes with lip liner. Oh, it's just like some pretty red lipstick. Colourpop is the reason why I have so much makeup. They're just so generous with their PR packages. And they gave me a lip liner. I can't wait to do this. I love a red lip. I just don't do it often enough, but if I need one, I'm definitely gonna use this. They also sent some cream gel liners. So this one's a green one, and then this one's a maroon one. They sent a purple gel liner too. Oh, maybe I should start getting into makeup because I have so much makeup and like I don't really do much with it. I wanna start maybe doing makeup looks. I feel like that would be really fun. And they sent me a makeup palette. This packaging, I'm telling you guys, it's so cute. And the sides like look like a book. I love these colors. Oh my god, I cannot get over this packaging. How adorable is this? Wow. Colourpop always has the best and most affordable makeup. I'm gonna say it now, better than almost anything, but I love this. Thank you so much to Colourpop. Let's open another one. I'm pretty sure this looks Halloween-y as well. Take me to Red Rock. This is the Sandstone collection. Okay. I just see in here that they have shimmering dry oil, and this is my fucking favorite thing, and I know it. Oh my god. Look at how am I gonna be able to use this all is my question. Okay, this is a cream gel liner. They sent me a bunch of these. I'll use this later when I show you guys. They sent me lippy sticks. Oh, these are adorable. I feel like these are like super easy to use on the go. Okay, wow, it's a lot more moisturizing than I thought it would be. Wow, I love this color. They also sent this vitamin C serum, which if you guys don't know, vitamin C is so good for your face. Look how gorgeous this is. Do you guys see that? Wow, can't wait to use that. This is such pretty packaging. Colourpop wins for the prettiest packaging. They sent me some cream shadows. I'll use that later. They sent me my favorite dry oil. Oh my god, I left this in LA and I was so sad. This is the best thing ever. If you're wearing like low neck tops or something and you just want to glisten, this Soul shimmering dry oil is the best thing ever, and I swear by it. Oh my god, some got out on me, but so pretty. They also send a package, not a package, a palette. This makes me want to start doing hella makeup looks. Oh my god, I absolutely love this one too. Do you guys see how pretty that like yellow is? I cannot wait to use this. I have so many makeup palettes now. Then I have another Colourpop package. This one's called Keeping It Cool. Okay, so I'm assuming
Wait a damn minute.
Guys, they sent me makeup brushes. I have been dying to get makeup brushes for so long. I don't have any makeup brushes. If I do have makeup brushes, it's either from my little pack that I got from Morphe, which is my first like set of brushes, or just Amazon because I just like don't invest in brushes. But oh my god, this is what's gonna make me do makeup looks, is having the makeup brushes for it. Whoa! They sent me so many. I cannot wait to use this. This is like the best thing I've ever gotten from Colourpop. Like, thank you so much. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, I never buy makeup brushes, and all my makeup brushes are literally from Amazon if it's not the Morphe one that I bought a while ago. Whoa, thank you so much, Colourpop. What else did they send? Is this a makeup palette? Holy crap, this is a huge one. Oh, I love the packaging of this one. Okay, yeah, this is Cool Tone. See, I don't really use Cool Tone that much, but I feel like it'd be nice to have to use like on my friends, but also there's like a really nice black in here and some like taupe colors if you guys can see. I love Colourpop. Okay, let's do this one. This one says documents and clothes. So I have no idea what this could be. I'm gonna find out, I guess. Oh, it's Believe, which I'm confused about because I already did my brand deal with them. But I guess they just sent me more stuff. I love Believe anyways, so thank you so much to Believe. I cannot believe I got a brand deal with them too because they're like a really good brand. Now let's do White Fox Boutique. This is clothing and I'm obsessed with White Fox Boutique. I literally order from White Fox Boutique all the time, like last year before it was even popular. I'm pretty sure White Fox Boutique is like an Australian brand or something anyways. Okay, what is this? What is this? Cute ribbon, okay. Look at this. Shut the, I already see what is on top and I don't know what it is, but this is so cute. Okay. This dress is so adorable. I love dresses like this. Wow. This dress is so cute. What the heck? Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear this dress. I'm in love with pink. This is adorable. Oh my god. Whoa. And I love brown now and pink. Those are my two new colors. Guys, shut up. You guys see how cute this dress is? I don't know if you guys think it's cute, but this is adorable to me. Oh my god. Wow. Too bad it's winter here. Oh my gosh. And I got this dress. This is gorgeous. Literally gorgeous. Hopefully I don't look like too much of a fridge in it. I love browns and it like ruches on the side so you can really adjust it however you like. And then they sent me this like red corset. I love how red looks on me. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god. Then they sent me this shirt, which I'm super glad that I have because I bought this in red one. It was way too small for me. So hopefully this fits. Oh, I need to bring these all to LA because I can't wear a lot of these here. And they sent me more. What? No way. Yo, White Fox is spoiling me, guys. This is so cute. I already know what it is. It's a sweat set. If you guys don't know, I love sweat sets. Oh my god. And it has Venice Beach embroidered on it. Can you guys see that? Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. Oh my god, shut the fuck up. These are not sweat shorts. These are not sweat shorts. These cannot. I am wearing sweat shorts right now. You guys don't know how in love with sweat shorts I am. Oh my god, and this length is so cute. I need to put this on right now, even though it's hot because there's a fire behind me. I am obsessed. This is so cute. Thank you so much, White Fox Boutique. This was like one of the best PR packages I've ever gotten. Like, what? Oh my god. Okay, this isn't a PR package. I literally bought this myself from Amazon. Really freaking random, but I bought a humidifier. Why, you may ask? Because my nose is so dry that I always have to pull it apart because it gets stuck together. So I bought a humidifier, especially because I'm on Accutane, so everything's just so dry. And I'm gonna keep this next to my bed, and I feel like it's just gonna make my skin healthy. I had one, but then I broke it, so. Also, I didn't get this as a PR package. This is a karaoke machine because I wanna start getting into singing, and a karaoke machine isn't necessary, but it's gonna boost my ego because I can turn the echo on, it's gonna sound way better. So I got a karaoke machine. This is literally all I'm gonna do all night. I cleared out all my plans just so I could stay into this karaoke machine. Expect covers every Monday. I know you guys probably are gonna hate me for it, but I really want to start posting covers. So it's gonna be called My Music Mondays. My Music Mondays. I don't fucking know. I'll think of an idea. But you know, it comes with a little microphone. I feel like a kid. I used to have one of these as a kid. Here's my new baby karaoke machine. This is the mess that I just created, but it's fine. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys want more, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are a brand and you guys want to send me something, email me. But yeah, thank you so much to all these brands that send me these PR packages. I really do appreciate every single one of them, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get over the fact that these brands know who I am. But make sure to subscribe, and until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest.